Hi, welcome to Virto-Cuccolini. This is our head office in Italy. My name is Asad Bilal. I'm the Business Development Manager within the metal powder industry. Now, we are taking part in GTMA and we will be attending the Manufacturing Solutions Roadshow at Mazak in Worcester. So we would like to welcome you to join us and take part in understanding what we can offer you within the metal powder processing, and in particular our technology will be able to help you to screen down to 6 micron. Now if you have any questions, if you have any queries as to where and when to attend, please contact us via email info@virtogroup.com. Look forward to seeing you. Take care for now.